Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Tanya and I am going to tell you a story about the sunflower. So once upon a time there was a competition that who's the best flower. So Rose came and Rose told that Rose is the best flower. And all other flowers told they were very proud of themselves. Then came Sunflower. Sunflower told that Sunflower. Then Sunflower came. So all other flowers told that you're so ugly, just please go off. But Sunflower didn't go because he told that I can do it. So when he participated, he got 5, he got 0, he got 1 point. And then you know who was the last judge who came? That was Sun. So everybody else they all fainted, but Sunflower didn't faint. So Sunflower didn't faint because it was a sunflower. It was very hot, so that's why this Lord Sun told that you're only the winner of this competition. Everyone else told you that you're ugly, but you didn't. But you told yourself I can do it, and you also told yourself that you didn't give up. So this is what, even though you're ugly, but your passion is very beautiful. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Zia and I'm 4A. This is my plant. I use waste cloth and cement to make it. And few days ago I planted this seeds, and this is how it grows. Now I'm gonna put some water in it, but not too much. And this is my garden that I water every day. Our world is precious and we can only save it. Thank you.